Are you drowning in fragmented web analytics data? Struggling with misconfigured GA4 tracking that makes your conversion funnels look like spaghetti? Our Web Analytics Pack gives you precise GA4 implementation frameworks, pre built event tracking templates for e commerce and SaaS, automated funnel visualization dashboards, and custom report generators with SQL BigQuery integration. This is for digital analysts wrestling with UTM chaos, marketing managers stuck with last touch attribution, data scientists battling incomplete data sets, and SEO specialists tired of guesswork. Spoiler, your spreadsheet days are numbered. Here's what's inside the Web Analytics Pack. Start with GA4 property configuration using Google's latest measurement protocol. Then, deploy ready-made event tracking templates for button clicks, video engagements, and checkout funnels. Our funnel analysis module auto-generates multi-touch attribution models with Data Studio visualizations. Custom report builders include cohort analysis and LTV prediction templates. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This is your new analytics operating system. Installing the Web Analytics Pack takes one command: run npx quanta-skills add Web Analytics Pack. That's it. You get the complete GA4 implementation workflow, tracking code snippets, funnel visualization scripts, and attribution modeling frameworks. Your next Claude code session automatically inherits these capabilities. Your AI assistant now understands event parameter hierarchies, conversion window settings, and dimension/metric configurations. No more midnight debugging sessions, unless you're debugging your coffee machine.